Welcome to the strange world of humanoid robots, where machines have been designed to look, move, and think like people. Humanoid robots, as compared to traditional robots, are made to interact with people and their surroundings in a way that seems natural and intuitive. Humanoid robots can communicate with people, assess and react to their environment, and carry out complicated activities that require skill, agility, and flexibility thanks to their sophisticated sensors, actuators, and artificial intelligence. Today, we'll talk about a fascinating subject that has recently generated heated discussions and controversy: female robots. These humanoid machines have been used for a range of functions, from entertainment and companionship to healthcare and education, and are created to look, sound, and act like women. Some people believe that the development of female robots is a scientific breakthrough that will transform how we engage with machines and improve our lives in several ways. Some, however, have worries about the morality and ethics of developing robots that resemble people, particularly women, who have long been outcasts and objectified in various media and cultural contexts. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 female robot-related secrets that have been made public. We will explore the most recent developments in robotics and AI that allow female robots to carry out difficult tasks, express their emotions, and interact with people naturally, along with exploring the potential pros and cons of employing female robots in various locations and sectors. We'll also discuss the moral and social issues raised by their development and use. So please sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of female robots without any further ado. It sounds risky. It has been seen in several interviews that human-like robots have harmful ideas and desire to either dominate or destroy humans. The possibilities are boundless, and rapidly evolving technology might endanger people. But the creators of modern humanoids claim that their creations will conform to their worldview and never revolt against it. Only time will tell. Yikes. Hanson Robotics made a humanoid robot named Sophia. David Hanson, the founder of Hanson Robotics, launched Sophia the robot by chatting with her at the March 2016 Robotics Trade Show in Austin, Texas. David Hanson asks whether you want to destroy humans. Please say no. Sophia responds, "Okay, I will destroy humans." The concept of robots turning against humans and seeking to destroy them is a common debate in science fiction, and it has grabbed the imagination of people for decades. However, it is necessary to remember that science fiction is not reality, and that real-life robots and AI systems cannot develop independent thoughts or ideologies on their own. Most AI systems and robots are designed to help individuals rather than pose a threat to them. Robots are increasingly employed in ways that benefit society and raise our standard of living, from robotic prostheses that assist individuals with impairments to regain their ability to walk to drones that help with search and rescue operations. Indeed, many of the most advanced and human-like robots currently being developed are designed to look and behave like females. While there is no definitive answer to why this is the case, several factors may contribute to this trend. One explanation could be connected to social and cultural perceptions of gender. Women have traditionally been linked with specific characteristics and behaviors, frequently considered desirable in carrying responsibilities, such as warmth, empathy, and nurturing. Researchers may try to take advantage of these cultural links by building robots that behave and look like women to make them appear more accessible and nice. Moreover, women have more delicate facial features and body movements than men. Designing robots to look like females may be an effective way to create machines capable of more nuanced and realistic human interactions. It is important to note that there is an ongoing discussion among researchers and subject matter experts about whether the trend toward robots that resemble women is harmful. Others contend that it is a practical and successful strategy for creating technologies that are easier for people to use and more natural for them to engage with. Others argue it promotes gender stereotypes and maintains detrimental social views about women. It looks scary, right? The idea of robots being able to create images of our thoughts using an fMRI scanner may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it is a reality. Roboticists have developed a new method that enables robots to construct images of our thoughts by analyzing brain activity patterns detected by an fMRI scanner. The fMRI scanner monitors changes in blood flow to various brain areas. Numerous brain areas become active when a person thinks about something, and the scanner can pick up on these variations in blood flow. The robot can reconstruct a picture of the subject's thoughts by examining these patterns of brain activity. The robot then compares this image to other images it has received from humans. The robot can recognize patterns and similarities in how individuals think about various topics by comparing the photographs. As a result, the robot may better understand how people think and create more complex algorithms for reading and reacting to people's thoughts and feelings. Concerns about how these technologies will be used in different industries and sectors exist. For example, if emotion recognition software is used in the workplace, will it be used to monitor and control workers' emotions, potentially leading to increased stress and burnout? We must view these technologies critically and socially as they advance and grow more complex. We must ensure that new technologies are created with our privacy and autonomy in mind and utilized in ways that benefit society. Since many years ago, people have debated the employment of robots and other types of automation in the workplace. Many have expressed fear that new technologies will eliminate jobs for human employees. There is no disputing that deploying robots in the workplace has numerous advantages, even though it might occasionally result in job displacement. One of the top advantages of deploying robots is that they can carry out laborious or hazardous activities that people cannot, such as working in risky places or on assembly lines. Human employees may concentrate on more complicated and innovative jobs that call for greater levels of ability and knowledge by using robots to complete these tasks. Another benefit of using robots is that they can increase productivity and efficiency in the workplace. Robots can work around the clock without needing a break or rest and perform tasks accurately and consistently, which is difficult for humans to compare. This can help reduce errors and waste in the manufacturing process, leading to cost savings and increased business profitability. Deploying automation and robotics may occasionally result in job displacement. Robots are more capable of carrying out duties that people once performed as they get more intelligent and smart. In sectors like manufacturing and logistics, where robots are increasingly deployed to carry out activities formerly performed by human workers, this may result in job losses. Despite these concerns, there are also many opportunities for new jobs to be created due to increased automation. For example, as more companies adopt automation technologies, there will be a growing need for workers with the skills and expertise to design, program, and maintain these systems. Further, as robots take on more routine and repetitive tasks, human workers can focus on more complex and creative tasks requiring higher skills. As the race of humanoid robots continues to advance, questions are being raised about the legal and ethical implications of creating machines that resemble humans. One of the more interesting developments in this field is the idea of assigning nationalities and even passports to robots. It might be strange, but is the truth. Although the concept of robot nationalities is still in its development and has gained traction in various nations, Sophia, a humanoid robot, was given citizenship by the Saudi Arabian government in 2017. Even though Sophia is technically not a citizen in the conventional sense, this action was considered a symbolic gesture to the nation's growing reliance on robots and artificial intelligence. While giving citizenship to robots may sound like a wonder, assigning nationality to machines has some practical implications. For instance, if a robot is manufactured in one country and then shipped to another country for use, it may be subject to different laws and regulations, depending on its home country. Assigning a nationality to a robot can help clarify its legal status and ensure it is subject to appropriate laws and regulations. The notion of granting robots passports in addition to nationalities has been discussed. Thanks to this, robots would be able to move freely across nations without being subject to the same limitations as human passengers. Although it might seem impossible, some experts think that this concept could one day become reality. Robots are designed to follow instructions precisely and carry out tasks in accordance with those instructions. They cannot keep secrets or deliberately withhold information from people unless they have been instructed to do so. A robot is programmed to behave in a way that is acceptable for the situation if it is intended to interact with people pleasantly. For instance, a customer service robot may be taught to answer customers' questions and gently offer helpful information. But our expectations and assumptions about how much we rely on these technologies raise concerns. Guys, we must build privacy into robot design so that the information they gather is only what they require to do their duties and identify their human users. There have been many exciting technological developments and cutting-edge studies in the field of female humanoid robots. These devices are quite amazing in terms of how lifelike they seem and how evolved they are. However, as with any new technology, the ethical and cultural implications of building machines that mimic humans so closely must be carefully considered. These technologies' potential advantages and disadvantages must be openly discussed as we continue to push the limits of what is possible in robotics. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want to discover more about tech and robotics, so make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on new updates. Thank you.